Alright, what's up guys? So this might not be the best idea I've had in a little bit, but I'm heading up the mountains today. The reason why this might not be the best idea is because it was like literally thunderstorming all of last night. If I have like some footage, I'll include it here. But yeah, it was thunderstorming all of last night, so I don't know what the situation is like upstate right now, but I'm just also realizing how dirty my carpets are, so I definitely need to do that vacuum that I spoke about. But anyways, that's going off topic. But yeah, I don't know how the floor is looking like upstate in the mountains. Hopefully it's all pretty dried up at this point, since it has not rained in like the past few hours. So I mean, the floor here looks pretty good and well dried up right now. So hopefully by the time I get up there, it will be even drier, because it is almost a 2-hour drive from here right now. Let me just double check to confirm. So yeah, I don't know if it'll focus, but it's about an hour and 40-minute drive from me, so I'm just gonna round up, plus minus a little bit in case of traffic. So about a 2-hour drive there and a 2-hour drive back. So that's what it's like for me to go up to the mountains every single day. So yeah, it kind of sucks not having something like, fun to drive closer to me. I guess the road I've been driving on Long Island is pretty good as well, but I've kind of went there like what was that, like 2 weeks ago, and it's been a while since I've been up to the mountain, so I kind of want to head up the mountain today. And plus the sun is starting to come out, so I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to go check out that road again that I last drove. And I think that's probably going to be the new default Touge road that I'm going to try to learn how to drive, and we'll see. But anyways, let me just start the car here, because I can't go anywhere if I don't start the car. So what the hell, there we go. I probably do also need to get gas again. Rotary shit, Alright, let the system prime a little bit, and then... Okay, there we go. Yeah, but... brain, no computing. But yeah, I'm gonna warm up the car a little bit, and I'm gonna head out, get gas, and I'll see you guys at the mountains. Alright guys, so I'm at the mountain right now. But you guys probably can't tell, I don't know if you can, but it started pouring as I was on my way here. The sun is out now, but the floor is all wet. So I'm not gonna, not gonna try to kill myself today. I'm not speeding, by the way, just allegedly. If I was to push it, I'm gonna take it a little bit easy, just because, it was raining and I don't want to die. It's as simple as that. But yeah, traction control is off. That might be a dumb idea, but last time I was on this road, I felt like traction control really prevented me from like taking a lot of these corners like this. So wow, the camera's good. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna just drive, guys. All right, it's my first time here with this camera setup, so I am looking forward to how this footage comes out, and I'm hoping that the camera doesn't go flying off. I probably should have done a better job at cleaning out my car before hopping on here, so I'm hearing stuff sliding around. I did see other cars make its way down the mountain as well, so I'm excited to see if other people are driving this today. I think I saw like a Veloster N as I was setting up my camera, which is crackling and popping. Oh yeah, it's a Porsche. People are having fun today. Tesla? What's a Tesla doing out here on the Touge? Wow. The elevation changer is crazy, by the way. Camera's still on. I'm sweating, guys. It is actually hot. and I have the heat running too, just to, you know, keep my engine a little bit cooler. Wow. Is that a Z? That is a Z. That's cool. Safely past that biker over there. Oh my god. Ooh. Everybody zooming. There's a waterfall here too. That's crazy. I will say, having the traction control off feels a lot better than with it on. This course is like so tight. I'm not sure if I like it, because there's like tree branches poking out of the road, right? And I have to go to like, yeah, when there, oh look at that Corvette. Caught up to traffic. Oh, the elevation change is honestly just crazy. I just really wish I had bucket seats right now. You guys probably can't tell, but I'm like struggling, like just trying to stay in place. And that jacket had to go, by the way. There was no way. I'm already like, I'm beat. Oh man, what the hell? That guy crossed the double yellow. And it wasn't a straight line. It wasn't like in a corner or anything, so hope he's alright. If my traction control wasn't off, that corner, I would not have been able to make it through like that. I'm not a big fan of how, that was a Prelude? I'm not a big fan of how there's just trees like that's fallen off the road, right? And it's just like laying. Oh wow, what's good? This guy had his hazards on. Hopefully he's okay. But I'm not a big fan of like trees just being on the side of the road so close to like the actual main road. Yeah, it's a little bit scary. Traffic again. It's fine. Is he letting me pass? He's letting me pass. Okay, cool. Wow, that was a sick transition. Cars coming here. Let me just, you know, and yeah, this is why you keep your eyes out on the road, okay? Like not just on the road you're driving, but you gotta scan forward a little bit, because if I didn't look at oncoming traffic before that turn, I wouldn't have seen those 3 cars coming. So you know, you gotta be aware when you're driving, like not only on actual driving, but you know, pay attention to the roads as well. Like that guy walking, like if I wasn't looking, I probably wouldn't have seen him. You just gotta be aware of your surrounding, you know? You just gotta be safe out there. Oh, what the hell? How did I miss that driving up the mountain? Check out this view, guys. We're not on top of the mountain, but like, yeah, that view is really nice. Wow, there's a mosquito on my arm. Just killed it, I think. Or at least I slapped it away. But yeah, on top of the mountain, there isn't really like a spot for me to stop like here, where I could just like, you know, go walk around and show you guys the car and stuff like that. So I came back down to the base of the mountain. The car's just creaking. I don't know why, but yeah. Look at this though. Ignore the mosquitoes, but it is so dirty right now. I gotta take it. Oh shit. I'm just like trying to kill mosquitoes that's just flying by my ears. It's like, oh my god. But yeah, yeah, this is a really nice road right here. Probably in a different video, I'll probably drive down it and, you know, enjoy the cruise or whatnot. But I'm probably not gonna do it for this video because I feel like it's gonna already be a pretty long video. But damn, yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm feeling some type of way about the car right now because I'm just really appreciating, like I don't know what the right word, I just appreciate it so much right now. It's like it took me on so many trips. You know, people say rotaries are unreliable, but this car has taken me on thousands of miles of trips right now, and they were not all like just cruising miles. You know, I pushed the car, I have a lot of fun in the car. Wow, what's happening here? Just a lineup of cars just driving by. But whoa, okay, Beamers, what's this, bike as well? Are they all going up the mountain? I think they're leaving. But wow, I'm just like being destroyed by mosquitoes right now, so let me get back in the car. Oh my god. I'm just feeling myself get stung. I mean, so yeah, back in the car. I was looking at the footage earlier of just like the in-cabin camera, and did I just let a mosquito in? I can't tell, but I was looking at the in-cabin camera and I was just sweating so much it looked like I just got out of a pool. But and I think I look better now, so, you know, my hair's all dried up. I think stepping out of the car was, you know, a really good idea because it really cooled me off. So yeah, I'm probably gonna head home after this now. I'm not gonna do much more driving. There's more and more people coming out just to like, you know, camping and stuff like that, like that family over there. And there are people like just on the side of the road double parked, and they're setting up, like, I don't know what they're setting up there, but yeah, they're doing their thing. So let me not, you know, go zooming around. The cars that I did see earlier, I don't see them anymore, so I'm assuming they left as well. There was a Corvette, there was a Z, there was a 370Z, there was like a C6 Corvette. I saw Evo, I don't know if it's an Evo or just a Lancer that looks like an Evo, but there was a Lancer there, like Evo X, Lancer. What else did I see? I saw a Veloster, Hyundai Veloster N. I saw one of those. There was a few other cars. It was really cool. I didn't see any Ferraris like I did the last time I came here, but you know, that's fine. But yeah, I just had a lot of fun. It was just, honestly, I needed this drive. Like, I'm glad the weather turned out nice again and it wasn't raining the whole time. I just needed this drive. It's been like 2 weeks since I really got to just drive. So, you know, I miss making these type of videos and I can't wait to make more. And next time I'm probably gonna hopefully come up with a friend or just have a passenger with me, so it's not just me. Because when I'm driving, I know I like to just, like, you know, be quiet and stuff like that. So yeah, what was that just drove? I just saw like a red car drove past in my rearview mirror or in my side mirrors, and it was just like, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little Touge run. Can't wait to come back and get better as a driver. I feel like that last run I did was amazing. Like, that was really good. I wasn't like, you know, the car wasn't like around the corners or anything crazy like that, and I just felt like I made all the transitions. I transitioned all the corners really well, and you know, I'm pretty happy. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good day, good night, wherever you are. Remember to stay safe out there and drive safely, alright guys? And until the next one, peace.